Taking a look at my parts list, I have the width of the back identified as 23 1/4 inches. I need to verify that measurement with my actual project. Now the width of my piece with the rabbet is 23 3/8. I'm going to subtract 1/16 of an inch to give me a 32nd of an inch play on either side of this piece. So I will be setting the table saw to 23 5/16. And then I need to make sure that my cut is going lengthwise with the grain. I can then check my width measurement by placing this on my project. And that fits in there really nice.